Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. Today's date is Thursday, August 20th, 2015. So I want to talk a little bit about Chesapeake Energy today. We have oil getting a small uptick today, but yesterday oil was just absolutely demolished after inventories came out. What's got my attention with Chesapeake here is that you actually have a nice inside bar pattern. All right, and again, it's coming off a reversal candle. So we all know what reversal candles are. It's where at the lows of a chart, you have a big candle to the downside, big red candle, and then the next day, the very next day, you reverse that entire move back up. All right, that's what's called a reversal candle. So when you see that, it generally says, assuming you're at the lows of a chart, which obviously Chesapeake was here, that you now have a potential bottom in place. And this is educational, folks, but we're going to get into the projections on Chesapeake. But point is, after that, you've slowly come in, as oil, mind you, has gone to new lows. So notice how Chesapeake hasn't taken out the low here. So Chesapeake hasn't made new lows. It's consolidated and has pulled back. But oil's made new lows, Chesapeake hasn't. And again, that's off a reversal candle, which is bullish. And then this is all inside of that reversal candle, which is known as being bullish inside bar pattern. Okay, so again, the technical analysis on this is actually slightly bullish. I know that sounds like crazy, you know. Oh, man, the pundits and the crazies on TV are all saying $20, $30 oil and so forth. And I'm not saying that oil can't go a little bit lower. Listen, yesterday was a debacle of a day. Unless we have a reversal day on oil, it very likely has a little bit more downside. But my point is here, the risk reward, as long as you do not get a close on Chesapeake below this low pivot here, is unbelievably healthy. It's very good. All right, and the beauty of this is right. So if Chesapeake plays out like I think it could, you have upside literally easily back to this high of around $9. So $9, that's $1.70 higher right here. And potentially it could go as high as this low pivot, which is around the 50 MA. And that's at $10. That's at $10. So my point is, again, think about that. You got a $1.70 upside and potential $2.70 upside, which is, 10, 14, 20. It's basically 20 to 30% upside. What's your stop? And this is always important. As a key analysis player, you got to, watch your downside too. So what's your downside? Your downside would be any close, or you could use the confirmation signal below the low here, which would be a negation of that inside bar reversal pattern. Okay, and that's at 687. So we're talking about literally 50 cents on the risk side of a stop versus $1.70 upside first target, $2.70 second target. Think about that. And listen, I'll be the first one to admit, I'm even surprised that oil keeps going down, and it may keep going down. But the point is, if someone said to you, you could make 30% upside on a stock, or you could lose 8%, what are you going to say? Are you going to take that gamble, especially with a bullish pattern? Hell yeah, you would. We'd be freaking insane not to. So anyways, guys, just some analysis I want to pass along to you. Take it for what it's worth. But again, this is what we do here at InTheMoneyStocks.com, and if you want to learn how to do this, I literally can look at this chart and in seconds know exactly, is it a good play, is it a bad play, by looking at price, pattern, time. It's the proprietary analysis we developed here, and again, I just explained it right to you here, and the risk reward, and there it is. Okay? All right, guys, talk to you soon. Take care. Come join us here at InTheMoneyStocks.com.